Alright, so here's my job listing that I found. I'm currently in kinesiology, exercise science, and fitness studies, and I found this job that requires a 4-year bachelor degree. It's at Lafayette General, and it's for the barometric program, full-time position. The only thing I couldn't find is the pay for this job, but that's probably because they don't tell you until you get the job, because some companies are like that. And then some apps that I found that could maybe help me whenever I do have this job that I might use is GroupMe. That's also available on your phone, but you might be able to use this to talk with your coworkers or even your clients that you work with at the hospital. MyFitnessPal I could probably use a lot because it'll allow me to plug in their programs on my phone. I can do it whenever I am throughout the day or whatever, and they can also use it on their phones. And then Google Translate, because I feel like I can use this one because at Lafayette General, it's a general hospital that a lot of people come to from all over. So I might have to learn some different languages and deal with that.